Alright, let's cut to the chase, and I've not scripted this video at all. I'm just going to be talking exactly to the point. Once again, this is what the channel is for. But yeah, guys, as you guys can see, how much profit can you really make doing Shopify dropshipping, right? So when I'm saying profit, I mean profit, right? There's a lot of things that happen these days, and people look at sale numbers like 6K. Like myself, I made like 6K in a week. I have revealed before that out of the 6K, only like 2K or 2.5K was actual profit. But as you guys know, a lot of people just get fooled by big income numbers, and a lot of people right now are being fooled by big income numbers. So I want to just clear the air over there. I'm actually going to show you guys exactly how much the other people also make and how much you guys can also make doing all of this, right? So first up, understand the revenue has nothing to do with profit, okay? This big number or whatever huge numbers you see, $500,000 or maybe $1 million, I don't give a shit what the number is. Just cut like at least 50% out, and even if they have the best margins, you'll have to cut out 50% off if you're drop shipping, right? And most of the times the advertising fund is quite a lot to make $500,000. So don't just look at some random video and look at, oh, he's made $1 million, oh my god, I'll never get to his level. Dude, if he's made $1 million, probably spent like, I don't know, $400,000. So don't just judge so quick, and don't give up. It's so simple. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can make profit and what exactly to do to make sure your profit is risen. I have not seen anyone make this video, and here you guys go. This is going to be very helpful for you guys starting out, just trying to figure out what to do, okay? So as you guys know, in Shopify dropshipping, what you're doing is you're taking a product from AliExpress, putting it on your small or big store, whatever, you're gonna get bigger soon enough, and then you just sell it for a higher price than what you buy it from, right? So if you buy it for $5, you're gonna sell it for whatever price that you find is good enough to make you profit, okay? So here's the thing, when you're doing free plus shipping, which I recommend to start out, you're buying the item from AliExpress for very low, hopefully like $1 or $5 or maybe $3. Don't go above this or you're not really gonna make profit. And what you're doing now is you're selling them to random people, or not random people, targeted people on Instagram, and that's what's gonna drive you sales, right? Once that drives you sales, you literally buy the item and give them the stuff, and now you have the percentage left as profit. Now, with free plus shipping, you hardly make any profit. You're gonna make at least from $5 to maybe over $100 of pure profit, and sometimes you might not even make this. You're just gonna be breaking even, okay? And even if you're like even more bad, then you're gonna lose money. So definitely you don't want to lose money. You want to either break even or make money. Now, don't just get like sad that you broke even. If you broke even, that's a good thing, because what happens, guys, is that 90% of the people forget that you can email those people. Like if you have like 10 buyers and you got all of the money from them, their lifetime value is gonna be a lot more than the amount you sold them for. So you can keep emailing them via MailChimp, etc. to raise your income in the long term. That's how all the big people, YouTubers, whatever, actually make money doing free plus shipping. Once they acquire the customer for this low cost and break even, now they're able to just keep mailing them constantly. So you want to go on MailChimp or Klaviyo, research a few hours, put some few hours into creating an email campaign, and email your audience constantly. That's going to get you a lot more sales after free plus shipping if you don't have too much money for advertising, okay? Otherwise, understand that exactly what you need to do to make profit, okay? So I've got two simple ways put down for you guys. The first way is obviously do free plus shipping, but a really high shipping price. Now, how is this gonna work, right? So for this, you wanna need one product with a high perceived value, okay? It should be a really high perceived value, and the charge should only be $2 to $4. And you're gonna be selling this item for $9.95, and then you're gonna keep raising the shipping price up to $12.95. This is a very good strategy I've used before. And once you find that sweet spot, there's gonna be a spot where you're gonna stop making sales or just make a lot of sales. You have to find that spot and keep the shipping price over there, and then contact 4 or 5 different influencers of the same kind. Remember, guys, this is assuming you guys have already watched my videos and you know how to find good influencers. Otherwise, just go on the video linked right now on the screen. Otherwise, as soon as you have influencers, you can go ahead and do this trick. So, the main thing where people lose money is either in the shipping cost, they miscalculate the shipping cost, or their products are not priced at a good price. So, what do you really want to do for profit, okay? I want to tell you guys, even if you're a newbie, okay? Even if you're a newbie, absolute newbie, you can easily generate $3,000 a month on Shopify, okay? Like, look at this very carefully. This can be life-changing for you right now. $3,000 as a newbie, okay? My first month was $3,000 when I didn't know anything at all, okay? and now you guys have guidance. 3,000 a month is literally nothing. All you have to do is make $100 a day in sales, which is like what? If you have like if you have 4 items for $25, that's it. Like, not for $25, god damn it. For $25, and that's gonna be that's like $100 a day. That's it. You need 4 sales. You need 4 sales of $25 each. So one way is obviously of getting, you know, small items like caps or maybe some kind of watch and price it at $25 or $20 and try to sell like 4 of those things to make you profit. Okay, that's one way to get to $2,000 a month. The second way is doing a lot of free plus shipping products at $9.95 and try to target for 10 sales a day, and that's also another way of getting $2,000 a month. Now, once you have that, once you're starting to get those initial sales, obviously you will want to go for an LLC later on. Not yet. I have a video on that. You can check that out too. But my main point is that out of this 3K, you can't just go and just do, oh, I just made $3,000 in a month, and then 10 people are going to be like, oh, how do I do it? So what I'm saying is don't go and look at someone who made $2,000 in a month and be like, oh, how did you do it? But out of $3,000, at least I would say $1,000 would be product fulfillment cost. Okay, so that's cut down to 2. And I would say you would need at least $500 for advertising if you're very efficient. Okay, so out of those $3,000, the dude is probably only making about $700 to about 1.5K. This is the pure reality. No one's gonna be telling you, but it's still not bad, guys. $700 to 1.5K in your first drop shipping month. Assuming you're like a absolute noob, this is still pretty good. You're still making some extra money. Why not, right? So understand this, guys. You're gonna have to use a few tactics to find maybe free plus shipping products or retail products, and in the end, just try to hit this $3,000 a month on Shopify. This is exactly how you can profit using Shopify dropshipping. And once you start spending more and more money, then it's just numbers are gonna keep increasing. $6,000. It's gonna go with $10,000. It's gonna keep going all the way up. This is exactly how I'm targeting to make $20,000 to $30,000 a month. But out of that, don't forget the profit is only 8 to 10K. If you're lucky sometimes and you get like a really good upsell, then you can keep going maybe at like 12K profit. But that's still not bad. So the main point of this video is, guys, first off, don't get fooled by big numbers. It's easy to get big numbers once you're spending that kind of money. If someone just gives you $1 million and you spend like $500,000 on ads, you are gonna see sales. You literally are gonna see like $1 million in sales. Don't worry about that if you're doing it right. If you're doing it right, right? So don't just get jealous of like some people who have like a really high you know, sales. Just focus on your own shit. Start with $3,000 a month. Go up from there. I've given you guys some really good tactics here. Use free plus shipping. Okay, so first tactic, once again, recapping everything, is going to be free plus shipping for $2 to $3 items and sell them at 25. This is literally the easiest way to $3,000 a month. This is going to be even a really good full-time income. Second way of free plus shipping is that you charge them $9.95 shipping. My bad. This is not shipping, by the way. This is not free plus shipping. This is a retail offer. My bad. I forgot. But yeah, this is a retail offer. You're basically charging this product pretty high because it has a high perceived value. Is really good. Second is a free plus shipping offer where you charge $9.95 for shipping and you cost 0 plus $9.95. This is also a smaller product. Listen, guys, the cheaper your product and higher perceived value, that means you're gonna have bigger margins. That's it. So once you do this, you're gonna have pretty good margins over here. So if in this case, you're actually gonna make more than $2,000 a month if you're able to just advertise and profit from that, right? And the last way would be emailing your customers. Email your free plus shipping customers. Now, email does not get too much traffic, but the traffic that you get is targeted, and those people are coming to your store for free, and it's literally giving you free money. So don't leave money on the table, guys. These 3 awesome steps are gonna I just showed you guys the entire reality. Nobody talks about profit. So focus on these tips, learn from this, and go implement this in your stores. $3,000 a month is not even hard, so I want to see some of the comments in the comment section down below about how you guys made $3,000 and how much are you guys at right now, because once you make $3,000, making like $5,000, $10,000 is just like spending more money at that point. So please understand that, guys. No BS, guys. We have to make this a thing. This is literally what I want for all of you, because now you guys understand this exact thing and nobody talks about this. Let's get this no BS movement going up. Comment down below, hashtag no BS for some love. And yeah, make sure you guys comment down below and subscribe to this channel. We're just going to be adding straight up value like this. And yeah, I'm going to see you guys in the next video then. Thanks a lot for watching, and peace out.
Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no.